What's happening guys? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Kicks coming at you live from the M340. Oh look, we got a GT and an F80. What's up, back? Oh, it's a GT350. Oh, come over here, sir. The F80 behind me though. Got some TEs on it. What's good? What's good? Is your crank hub done, sir? Do you have a tune? Well, yeah, guys, welcome back to another video. For once, there's no traffic right now. I am amazed. My mind headed right now to pick up some new parts for the M340i. Pretty excited, man. I think it's gonna look really good. I was just in the way though, no cap. Really just in the way.
Just then.
And I spoke too soon. It's 10 o'clock. Like, all y'all ain't at work yet. There's no way that all y'all is YouTubers. Well, it's gonna be long for me, but short for you guys. Alright guys, the package is secured. What we got? What we got in here?
48 hours later.
Today is the day. The M340 is getting a slight makeover. I don't know why I'm trying to hide it from you guys, because if you're watching this video, you pretty much already know what I got. So with that being said, I want to give a huge shout out to Adro. We have a full Adro Aero kit that is going on the M340i. Oh, them KW coils though. Car's just fast for no reason. No downpipe tuned car should ever pull this hard. It's just ridiculous. So yeah, guys, huge shout out to my guys over at Adro. We have an entire full Aero kit going on the car. Front lip, side splitters, rear diffuser, and we have a new trunk spoiler going on. So I'm super excited, man. The kit looks great. I like what I did. I like my current Aero. But it's kind of all pieced together. Like, the lip is from one place, the side splitters are from somewhere, rear diffusers from somewhere else. Like, I kind of just made my own Aero kit, and now we can finally have an actual full matching Aero kit. So super excited about that, man. We got everything in the car. Hey, if you don't pull up the PQ like this, you're doing something wrong. Alright guys, we are here at Young PQ Performance. Let's get a good quick walk around of the 340. Okay, forgot I put the stock tails on for a minute. I actually like the stock tails better. It just makes the rear end of the car come alive. Man, I'm not gonna lie though, I do love my rear diffuser. So one thing I'm concerned about, since my tips are tacked, they're welded right now. I don't know if I'm about to pull them out more or they need to go in more. So hopefully they still look good. Nah, we're gonna have to see the weld doctor. But yeah, man, these guys are always packed, man. Crazy. And look what they just picked up. Look at this. Y'all probably ain't never even seen one of these. Yes, GT. It's a real thing. This thing's super sick. Stock, carbon lip, canards, mirrors obviously, side splitter on the sides, the wing. Got these side spats here, the rear diffuser. Sheesh. The full package. It's crazy, when I had my R8, I actually wanted to buy this rear diffuser, the wing. That shit was so expensive. Interior is pretty similar, but it is a little bit different. Obviously, we got an Alcantara wheel. I think this is OEM stock carbon on all the new 2020 plus, I believe. The seats though, it has different seats. And these things are actually really nice. Comfortable. So basically this is like the Nismo version of the R8. That's really clean. Super rare, man. I've never seen one of these in person, ever. This thing's nice, bro. Does this bring back memories, guys? Damn, 340 look hard. Ain't gonna lie. Damn, bro, this is making me freaking miss mine. This car's so sick, bro. Damn, I really miss that sound. Definitely miss this car. Just so you guys can see the quality difference. This is my current one. This is definitely a lot better. This one's not bad, but you guys can see the difference. So the really cool thing about Adro, they use a lot of the OEM holes to make sure your shit is on there good, which is a good thing because, you know, should be flying off. But no, man, it's about that time. Definitely a lot more aggressive on the sides, and as you can see, it uses the OEM holes. Is awesome. Alright guys, rear diffuser's left. I really hate to take this off because I do like it, but it just doesn't flow with the kit. Because if you look at the side splitter now, it's just, yeah, it doesn't really flow now, so kind of need the whole kit. But I do like this diffuser. Definitely got to get these redone because they got all chipped up. But the lip looks good. It's definitely a lot more aggressive. Side splitters look pretty good too. And we got the puddle light now. Coming along, coming along. All we got left is the rear diffuser and the trunk spoiler. I'm excited to see how it all looks when we drop the car. Have my boy upscale detailing PPF the lip before I put it on because I already knew. One day is all it takes to get some chips. Hey, what's up, Aero? that shit looks good. Love it. It looks hella good. Obviously now the tips are a little bit more exposed. I'll probably throw the tips in more just to make it look a little better. Overall though, as far as the kit, I love the kit. Everything looks super good. I love this part. The trunk spoiler is like perfect. It's not too much, not too less. Just sick. She looks good, man. It's got a fresh wash. I love the red belts now, like you can see it. Hella clean, man. It's definitely the red belts for me, bro. Just that little bit of, you know, you can see it through the windows. Like, that's just sick. This car looks hella good now. Alright guys, it is about that time for me to head out of here. It's been a long ass day. Now finally traffic died down, so it could be smooth sailing all the way home. Yeah man, shout out to my guys over here at PQ Performance. And huge shout out to the guys over at Adro. The kit is amazing. Everything fits super good. Their instructions are on point. There's just nothing bad to say. Look how detailed the install is. Look at this. Look how detailed this is. They literally tell you everything. So if you don't put this shit on right, something's wrong with you. Crazy. Super dope company, man. I feel like they're killing it right now. So if you guys haven't heard of them, be sure to check them out. I'll throw their Instagram down here. Check out their products. I stand behind them 100%. I have nothing but good stuff to say about them so far, coming down to the packaging to just the people over at Adro. So huge shout out to them, man. The car looks amazing.